Hey everyone! Have you ever wished for a tool that makes life so much easier? Well, dreams do come true. If you're like most content creators, marketers, or solopreneurs juggling multiple tasks and trying to stay productive, you understand the struggle of managing everything efficiently. Today, we will talk in depth about the Alice Lifetime Deal, which is a game changer in the productivity world. No matter how good you are at your job or how new you are to AI assistants, you will want to take advantage of this deal. Let's work together to figure out how Alice works. What is Alice? Alice is a cutting-edge AI assistant designed to streamline your workflow by handling mundane tasks efficiently. Leveraging top AI models like OpenAI, Perplexity, and Anthropic, Alice can draft emails, brainstorm ideas, and manage schedules seamlessly. It offers instant AI-powered responses, customizable snippets, and keyboard shortcuts to save time. Alice integrates with various tools through APIs, Make, and Zapier, ensuring smooth automation of tasks. With features like local data storage for security and the ability to create multiple specialized AI assistants, Alice is perfect for content creators, marketers, solopreneurs, and anyone looking to boost productivity. Imagine having an assistant who can instantly reply to your queries, create keyboard shortcuts for repetitive tasks, and integrate seamlessly with your entire tech stack. That's Alice for you. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal prices on AppSumo await. Normally, such a powerful tool would cost you a fortune, but at AppSumo, you are getting this amazing deal at a fraction of the cost. And the best part? It's a one-time single payment. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this deal. Here are the license tiers you can buy from AppSumo. License Tier 1. Tier 1 is a one-time purchase of $49, originally valued at $99. This includes access for one Mac or Windows device. Bring your own OpenAI key. License Tier 2. License Tier 2 is available as a one-time purchase of $99, offering additional features like remote actions and voice actions. One Mac or Windows device. Bring your own OpenAI key, remote actions, voice actions. License Tier 3. License Tier 3 offers more flexibility for a one-time purchase of $199. 3 Mac or Windows devices. Bring your own OpenAI key, remote actions, voice actions, custom AI. 6 most important features that make Alice special. Instant AI-powered responses. Get fast, reliable answers with an AI assistant powered by top AI models. Customizable snippets. Create specialized snippets with detailed instructions for any kind of task. Keyboard shortcuts. Turn prompts into keyboard shortcuts for quick access. Integration power. Integrate with tools like Make, Zapier, and your own API to automate tasks. Data security. Store conversations locally for maximum security. Versatile assistants. Create multiple AI assistants and train them to complete different tasks and projects. People who can benefit from Alice. Content creators, marketers, solopreneurs, freelancers, small business owners, remote teams, busy professionals. Do you fit the bill or know someone who does? Dive into the world of Alice and watch the magic unfold. Grab a 10% extra deal from AppSumo. Got your eyes on the Alice Lifetime Deal over at AppSumo? Well, guess what? I've got some spicy news for you. On top of that sweet $49 deal, there's a way to snag an extra 10% off. Math wizards, that's savings on savings. How to grab this deal? Visit AppSumo's Alice Lifetime Deal offer. Find out about a cheap pop-up bar. Type in an active email address. Continually use the same email address. Look in your email to find the 10% off promotion. So, why wait? Jump in and let those savings roll. Reviews that Alice Lifetime Deal on AppSumo get. Still hesitating? Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Secure your lifetime deal now before it's too late. Dive into the description, explore the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you enjoyed this review and want more tech insights, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.